In March 2012, a group of UCLan students travelled to the University of Warwick to attend the British Conference of Undergraduate Research. They were able to present their research projects and discuss their findings with students and academics from the 40 other universities that were attending the conference.
They've been presenting in paper sessions and in posters. I've managed to get along to some of the sessions. They're very confident, they're very articulate, their papers have been very well received, and I think they've had a great experience.
I've had an opportunity to get a mentor that I could discuss my research with further, and I've also heard people make comments and critiques about what I am doing, and that's going to definitely help my end product.
I did do a speech earlier, and I felt that I got my message across and that people understood what I'd found and was trying to explain.
I was so nervous before, but once I was up there it was fine and people seemed to enjoy it, so I think it was okay.
Well, it's given me the confidence, I think, to stand in front of people that I don't know, so in the future if I ever have to do anything similar, I'll feel a lot more confident and able.
Oh, it's really nice to come to Warwick and see BCUR 2012 and see how it's moved on from when we did it last year at UCLan.
We've got increased numbers of students. I think there's about 70 more than last year. More delegates, more staff members attending as well. And there's a really good interaction between students of different disciplines, lots of different fields represented here.
It's called speed networking, and the students are getting to talk to each other, meet each other. Very quickly they get 3 or 4 minutes each to explain to each other their research project, and then we ask them to give a critical, helpful comment on what they're talking about. But really the point is about the importance of networking at conferences and the importance of sharing information.
It's opening a door to a culture and a way of conveying the research they've been doing that maybe they haven't been aware of before.
Because of this conference I've sort of seen more of what I was actually doing as opposed to just doing it for the sake of it. Now I've got a purpose, as it were, to do my work.
I go away with more confidence in the research that I did and the findings that I found, and I go away having learnt numerous things about subjects I had no idea about before.
I think it's, for some students it will be the starting point for an academic career. And I think in 10 years' time, 15 years' time, you'll talk to many junior academics and their first time that they were presented at a conference would have been at the British Conference of Undergraduate Research.
Take every and any opportunity you can get because it's all worthy and it'll all add to something. Just take your opportunities and go for it.
The British Conference of Undergraduate Research meets annually every spring. The next conference will be held at Plymouth University in April 2013.